Qatar 904 Super, wind 100 degrees, 16 knots, runway 03, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 03, Qatar 904.
Qatar 904, vacate right, taxiway whiskey, contact ground on 122.2.
Right and whiskey ground, 904, good day.
Good day.
Rex 2131, line up runway 03.
Love 03, Rex 2131.
Singapore 223 on November, contact ground 122.2.
122.6, Singapore 223.
Singapore 223, frequency is 122.2.
122.6, Singapore 223.
Singapore 223, negative, frequency 122.2.
122.2, 122.2, Singapore 223.
Ground velocity. Tower velocity 1845, ready.
Velocity 1845, Perth Tower. Rex 2131, runway 03, cleared for takeoff.
Give takeoff 03, Rex 2131. Perth Tower, good day, Seagulls 414 ready.
Seagulls 414, Perth Tower.
Perth Tower, velocity 466.
Velocity 466, Perth Tower, continue approach.
466.
Velocity 1845, line up and wait, runway 03, delay for spacing.
Line up and wait, runway 03, velocity 1845.
Velocity 466, just confirming for pass still unavailable.
Velocity 466, negative, it'll be Charlie 6 or November.
466, answered.
Rex 2131, contact departures.
Barge today, being Rex 2131.
Velocity 1845, runway 03, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 03, clear for takeoff, velocity 1845.
Velocity 466, continue approach. Traffic to depart, wind 100 degrees, 8 knots.
466.
QJet 1927, Perth Tower.
Sorry, 904, Charlie 11 ready.
Qatar 904, heavy, Perth Tower, good afternoon. Velocity 466, runway 03, cleared to land.
03, cleared to land, velocity 466.
Velocity 1845, contact departures.
Start very well, 45.
Tigos 414, line up runway 03.
Line up runway 03, Tigos 414.
Tigos 414, be ready as soon as the 737 vacates.
Tigos 414.
QJet 1927, there will be 1 to depart, wind 100 degrees, 5 knots, continue approach.
QJet 1927.
Velocity 466, expedite vacating onto November.
Okay.
Tigos 414, runway 03, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Yeah, very clear for immediate takeoff, Tigos 414.
QJet 1927, runway 03, cleared to land.
Cleared to land 03, QJet 1927.
Qatar 904, line up runway 03.
Runway 03, contact 904.
Tigos 414, contact departures.
Right, just Tigos 414, you know.
Qatar 904, runway 03, cleared for takeoff.
Clear takeoff. Runway 03, contact 904.
Qatar 904, contact departures.
The departure Qatar 904, over.